What's up guys, BDigi Crypto here. If you like crypto mining, if you like crypto, make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash the likes, leave us a comment below. Today we are going to be installing a CPU and thermal paste and the CPU fan and heatsink on this Gigabyte motherboard, so stick with us. Alright guys, so we got the motherboard out here. We are gonna be installing the CPU, thermal paste, heatsink, and fan. So let's get to it. So here you guys go. You got CPU here. Now, every one of these usually has, see that little indicator in the corner? You're gonna match that indicator up on your CPU. So you're gonna move this little clip here, pop this up. This plastic thing is gonna go. And let's see here. Where's the little locator? So it's gonna be right here. See this big triangle in the upper corner? That's gonna be it. So you're going to match that triangle up to that one. Also, you have two little notches here in the bottom that will match up a little notches, so it's kind of hard to put it in wrong, but make sure you get it. Slips right in there. And then pop that guy down and close this guy right on it. There you go. So now we are going to be doing the thermal paste. Alright guys, so now we're going to do thermal paste. Some of you may not have to do this. Some of you may already have thermal paste on the bottom of your heatsink. In our case, we do have to apply it. So we're just gonna go with the P-dot method. There's a million different methods. Some people will tell you one way is better than the other, but tests have shown that basically there is only like a 0.5 degree difference between, you know, each method. So we're just gonna go with the P-dot sized method. So we're just gonna apply thermal paste in the size of a P-dot there, right in the middle. It's a little sticky. Stick down. There we go. And then we are going to take our heatsink and fan and install. So what we're gonna do here is make sure we have enough cable slack. Find your CPU fan 4-pin. Make sure you have enough slack to attach that once you install this. And here we go. So make sure you locate these plastic pins in the 4 holes around the CPU and then drop them in. To make sure you locate it, you can give a little rotate. And then to install fan, easiest is go from corner to corner and apply pressure. You'll hear it click. And then you can look at the bottom and make sure these little black things are pretty far out. So you can tell, I don't know if you guys can see, but that black pin is almost at the top of the white, whereas this one's not. So this one we're gonna wanna give a little more, you heard that click there, and then the other two look good. And that's how you know that you are fully installed on there. So now we are gonna give this guy CPU fan a little twist there, and then we will locate our CPU fan here, and we will plug it in. And there we go. And CPU is installed. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you leave a comment, hit the likes, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll catch you next time.